So we'll run through those. We'll also be cognizant, be aware of our wrists. So we'll warm those up before we get started. But we're gonna start with our breath. And so you can have a seat on your mat. And if you like, tuck the toes, inhale, rise again. Coming into our downward dog, slight bend in the knees. Exhale, come on back down to tabletop. You should feel this in your shoulders, your back. One more time, inhale, tucking those toes, rising, downward dog. This time we're gonna walk the hands back to the feet or walk the feet to the hands. You're gonna end up in a full forward fold. You can let those arms hang out. You can grab the elbows. You can shake the head, yes or no. Exhale, release. I'm gonna walk those hands right on back down into downward dog. Take the feet back if you need to. Again, slight bend in the knees. Exhale, tabletop. Inhale, downward dog. Exhale, tabletop. Inhale, downward dog. You're gonna inhale, and this time you're gonna kick that right leg up.